Hey guys, welcome back to Homesteading Off the Grid. I came out to shut our chickens up for the night and I found out that we have a little cardinal stuck in the bottom of the bird net here. We have bird netting over the top to keep the hawks and stuff from getting our chickens and the raccoons from getting in. And so I'm going to free a little baby cardinal. I'm not going to hurt it. You're going to hear it scream, but it's just scared. But I'm going to free it here real quick. Okay, buddy. You're okay.
Don't worry.
Honey, we got it surrounded. That's going to make it. It was over here on the inside a minute ago, but now it's over there. I'm going to have to come out on that side, it looks like.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see if I can cut him loose here. I'm just cutting the net. I'm not cutting the bird, of course. I'm not cutting any feathers. Honey, try not to hit the net, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We don't want to jerk the net. Yeah, he was on this side. And I actually tried to chew through it, but...
I think I need to hold his body so that he don't get hurt.
I'm going to come over on that side and do it.
Yeah, we need to hold his whole body.
I know, honey.
So that he don't try
doesn't
to
hurt himself. I had
yeah.
that here a minute ago. I had his whole body, but now he bites. He bit me. He's just scared.
Yeah, he's nervous.
Come on, buddy. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to hold his head so he doesn't bite me again. Oh, honey, no.
I'm gonna get the scissors.
No, I got him here, honey. He's not hurt. Shh, honey, shh. Heal him, hon. Heal him. Heal him, hon. Honey, heal him. Where's it tied? Where's it wrapped around? Honey, don't get so close with it. Yeah, I am. Where's it caught? Deep down now. Tito. Ow, hold on, right here, I think.
I think he started liking you.
Yeah, he likes me. He knows I'm not here to hurt it, I'm here to help it. Honey, what? No, it's wrapped, honey, you know. You'll hurt it.
You got it.
Almost. Get the scissors with your other hand. Honey. Sit in one place or don't move, honey, please. You're going to make it panic again. Honey, can you grab the scissors with your... No. The scissors, not the string.
Oh, scissors.
Grab the scissors and cut. And I. Right there. Cut. Honey.
I'm using
Please stop moving, honey. You're scaring it. Stay in one spot, please. Honey, please stop moving. Please stop. Honey, God. Get back a little bit, honey. You're terrified. I think it's unwrapped enough to where if we cut this right here.
This one.
The scissors.
Where's the scissor?
Down there towards the bottom, see? Hey guys, Dearly had to put the phone down there at the very end to help me out, but we got that last part of the netting clipped off and the bird flew up in here. We're hoping we could see it, but it's roosting back here in these pine trees, but we got the bird free of the net. It did live, and so it gets to live to see another day, and we get to see it down here at our feeder again. So we're gonna keep our eyes on that pen and make sure that doesn't happen again. That's the first time we've ever had a bird get caught in there in that net. I'm just happy I found it and we were able to get it out. So we hope you guys enjoyed this rescue mission. We'll see you next time with more from Homesteading Off the Grid.